Today we will see how to solve the right angle triangle in the trigonometry. This is the easy method. You can easily understand how to solve the any right angle triangle. Okay. So first see the what is the side definition. Okay, I have divided all this in the three parts: side definition, side visual, and formula. Okay. So there are three parts of the triangle, there are three direction of the triangle. Like if it is this triangle, this is known as hypotenuse, this is known as opposite, and this is known as adjacent. So there are three sides of the triangle: opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent. You can see here I have written OAH. O means opposite side and across from the line angle theta. A means adjacent side next to the angle theta, and H is known as the hypotenuse, means side across from the right angle triangle. Okay, and you have to remember how to remember the formula, like SOH means so, ka, toa. Okay, S is for the sine, C is for the cos, and T is for the tan theta. O means opposite, H means hypotenuse. For the cos, it is written as CAH, means cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. This is the easy formula to remember the for the trigonometric numericals. And TOA is like tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Now we will see how to solve the example by using this formula, so ka toa. Now we will see the example one by one. So first example, you can see here the one triangle is given where the angle is shown here, okay, which is 30 degree. Okay, now here it is written x and phi. Okay, so the first step, what is the first step? The side across from the line angle theta. Okay, second step is sine next to the angle theta. So from these two, opposite will not be included, so only the determined is adjacent and hypotenuse. So always remember, this side is always hypotenuse and this side we have to know. So from the angle side, we can see here side next to the angle theta. So side next to the angle theta is x. Okay, always remember adjacent, always remember for the adjacent, side next to the angle theta, it will be your adjacent. Okay, so what we have known, A and H. Okay, so now come to the formula, cos theta is equal to A by H. And what is the angle given? Cos 30 is equal to x by 5. So x will be determined by x is equal to 5 cos 30, which is equal to 4.3. Okay, now come to the next point. So now next is the triangle is given like this, angle is given here. Okay, so this is angle is given here, x is given here, and 4, and we have to find the value of x. Okay, so always next to the angle theta, what will be the next to the angle theta is adjacent. Okay, so the value of A, the adjacent will be 4, because the next to the angle theta is 4. Okay, so our value is, for the value of A is 4. Okay, now we'll see the opposite side across from the angle theta. Okay, side across from the angle theta, which is given as x. Okay, this is hypotenuse, it is not given, but here the value of opposite is x. So O and A. So come to the two tan theta is equal to O by A. So tan 45 is equal to x by 4, which is equal to x is equal to 4 tan 45, which will give you a x equal to 4. Okay. Now last example. Where the angle is given here is 35, here it is given as 10, and here it is given as x. Okay, so always I have said this value will be the h. So so the h value of h is 10, and angle next to the theta is not given, but opposite side is given as x. So O and h comes to the sine theta is equal to O by h. So sine 35 is equal to x by 10. So x is equal to 10 sine 35. So the value of x is equal to 5.7. So this is the way to solve the right angle triangle in the trigonometry.